In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean visual interface that pulls your key records into one place, perfect for quick reviews and sharing with teammates without touching any code. First, open Airtable in your browser and sign in. Make sure you have a base ready with the data you want to showcase. If you plan to highlight visuals like photos or design assets, choose a base that includes an attachment field so the images display nicely. From your Airtable home screen, select the base you want to use for this dashboard. On my screen, I'm clicking the base that's highlighted. Inside the base, look for the Interfaces option along the top. This is where Airtable lets you build dashboards and tailored views for different audiences. If you don't see interfaces, check that you're in a workspace and plan that supports it, and that you have the right permissions. Choose Build It Yourself to start from a flexible foundation rather than a rigid template. Then click Build an Interface to launch the setup flow. You'll be prompted to pick your data source. Click the highlighted table or view that contains the records you want to display. A quick tip, selecting a saved view here can pre-apply filters and sorts, so your dashboard show only the most relevant records right from the start. Click Next to confirm your selection, and then click Next again to advance through the initial setup prompts. When you reach Layout options, choose Visualize Image-Heavy Records. This layout is designed for large thumbnails and makes scanning visual content intuitive. It's great for product photos, marketing assets, property listings, or any workflow where images are front and center. Click Next to accept the recommended settings, and then click Finish. Airtable will generate your interface and open it in the editor. From here, you can immediately start refining the experience. Rename the interface to something your team will recognize, and use the drag and drop editor to rearrange or resize components. Consider adding a filter control or a search bar so viewers can quickly narrow down records. If you want a consistent list look, set a default sort by date, status, or priority. You can also customize record detail panes to surface only the fields people need to see. Remember to save changes as you go, and use undo if you try something and don't love it. That's it. Open Airtable, select your base, go to Interfaces, choose. Build it yourself, build an interface, pick your data source, continue through the prompts, select Visualize, Image-Heavy Records, and finish. Explore the editor to tailor the layout and controls, and your custom Airtable dashboard is ready to share.